have to wait a second.
Or no, just go like that.
Leave it on.
And then have a put plastic over it.
Most of the hydroxide's gone. The water's a little bit milky, which means it's got a little bit of hydroxide on it.
water.
Here we go. Round two.
Kai. Press Kai. Hey, no, can I say right there?
Oh wait, wait. Oh, she's getting tricky. She's getting tricky.
On my mark. Drop. Pull back. I always have to check the gate, guys.
Zoom in.
Always. I gotta be able to drop the gate straight down. Okay. My mark. Same chunk.
Hey, Jesse.
2, 3, 2, 1. Contact. Sparks. It's exothermic coming up.
Fire!
Should go. It's on fire! Fire! Sharon, give me my green spray bottle back there. Come on. Quick, quick. Oh, I got it! I got it. Forget it. I don't want to open up the hood because there's gas there. No! Calm down.
I think you just yell it whatever.
You're squeezing my dance.
Right above you.
What happens if you miss it?
Hopefully that doesn't.
I have water.
The things I can do in this hood are just amazing. So that was a good one.
Yeah.
It got me. It scared me. Yeah.
So we're going to, we'll just say as soon as my materials come.
It's on fire again.
Don't you start.
No, it was.
As soon as my new materials come.